All right, today we learn how to paint a vineyard. All right, today we're gonna learn how to do a vineyard painting. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So we have this really nice sunset, really light. I just had a little bit of highlights on the second layer there to kind of make that pop, but left the clouds more or less as is. And this time, the second round, I kind of defined, from that ground initial layer that's kind of purple brown to, that earth color. I added in those lines for the budding trees with the green lines, the orange lines, the yellow lines, peach lines. I had a little bit of the trail in there. I don't think that was necessary. I mean, that's kind of how it looks in the photo, but I don't think it looks that great. Overall, I think it's a pretty strong painting. It has really nice composition where you have that kind of the focal point in the middle. You got the sun off to the side, so you got that kind of interest. It is kind of a neutral landscape. There's not much to it but a landscape, so that's fine. Obviously, people love landscapes, so that's nice and tranquil for the people that like to collect landscapes. So I think that's successful. Overall, I think it's pretty good. I think I could have had a little more darks in there maybe at the foreground to kind of make that pop on the orange versus the green, and the underlayer that's kind of a little bit subtle, but it is really kind of still sunset. It hasn't fully gone down, so you're gonna have a really brilliant light over the fields. So you would have these really light highlights and not much shadow, so to say. Overall, I think it's pretty good. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video, guys. Thanks.